Tough Chapter 14, How to Make Good Habits Inevitable and Bad Habits Impossible. In this chapter, James Clear explores the idea of making good habits inevitable and bad habits nearly impossible by using a technique called commitment devices. A commitment device is a choice you make in the present that locks in better behavior for the future. It works by creating constraints that prevent you from falling back into your old patterns when your willpower is low. Clear explains that the best way to change your future behavior is by setting up your environment so the desired action becomes the default. For example, if you want to eat healthier, you might meal prep and portion your food in advance. If you want to save money, you can set up automatic transfers to your savings account on payday. These actions remove the need for daily decisions and reduce the chance of temptation. He shows how commitment devices are used effectively in real life. People install software that blocks distracting websites, use prepaid gym memberships to encourage exercise, or leave their phone in another room to focus better. These small changes alter your surroundings in a way that reduces the opportunity for bad habits and increases the odds of sticking with good ones. Another key idea in this chapter is strategic automation, where technology or systems handle the routine parts of your goals. When something becomes automatic, it no longer drains your willpower. You're no longer fighting your impulses because your past self already made the right decision for you. The ultimate goal is to design a system where doing the right thing is the easiest option. If your fridge is stocked with fruits instead of junk food, you'll probably make a better food choice without even thinking about it. If you can make your environment work for you instead of against you, good habits become effortless and sustainable. In essence, Chapter 14 teaches that lasting change comes not just from discipline, but from smart planning. By making it hard to do the wrong thing and easy to do the right thing, you eliminate the friction that derails progress. With the help of commitment devices and thoughtful systems, you can set yourself up to win before the moment of decision even arrives.